We're going to try another repair with the repair clay, this time on metal. We've also got full range, copper, plumbing, wood, steel, roof and gutter. There's just about everything, all of which will have their own uses. And different epoxy and hardener on this one, but the same setup, but they're mixed together. Take a little bit of that. We got black and grey, so we want this to go dark grey. So give that a good mix. Same as mixing Durabond. Need to prep the metal first with a light sand and a clean, just to take any loose stuff off. So you probably don't need this much, but seeing as I'm doing this on site and it doesn't need to look too pretty, I'm just going to slap it on there and we're going to see what happens. Yeah, there we go. Through. We've got both sides. Repaired the hole.